Hello and welcome to our channel, Sundrg Health. Today's topic is 9 evidence-based health benefits of almonds. Did you know that almonds aren't just a tasty snack but also a powerhouse of health benefits? These tree nuts are packed with goodness, including antioxidants, vitamin E, protein, and fiber. They make an excellent addition to your daily diet, helping you maintain a healthy and balanced lifestyle. By consuming almonds, you can enjoy several health advantages, such as supporting your heart health and lowering your blood pressure. These nuts also contain healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that your body needs to function at its best. So, next time you crave a snack, why not reach for a handful of almonds and give your body a nutritious boost? Here are 9 evidence-based health benefits of almonds. Before starting, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for our channel to receive more insightful updates on nutrition and health. Your support can help us to spread the word and reach out to more people who need these tips. So, let's begin. 1. Almonds are a highly nutritious food. Almonds, the delicious seeds of the almond tree, are native to the Middle East and are the world's leading producer. They are marketed raw or roasted, and their products include almond milk, oil, butter, flour, paste, and marzipan. Almonds have a strong nutritional profile, with a 1-ounce serving providing 3.5 grams of fiber, 6 grams of protein, 14 grams of fat, 48% of the recommended value of vitamin E, 27% of the daily value of manganese, and 18% of the daily value of magnesium, copper, vitamin B2, riboflavin, and phosphorus. A modest handful of almonds has 164 calories, 6 grams of carbs, and 3.5 grams of fiber. However, around 6% of almond lipids are inaccessible to digestive enzymes. Almonds also contain phytic acid, which binds to certain minerals and hinders their absorption by the body. 2. Almonds are rich in antioxidants. Almonds have high levels of antioxidants, which help protect cells from oxidative stress, which can cause inflammation, aging, and diseases like cancer. These antioxidants are concentrated in the dark layer of almond skin. Hence, blanched almonds are less effective. A 2022 study discovered that eating up to 60 grams of almonds per day lowered 2 major inflammation indicators in the body. Another study indicated that consuming 2 ounces of almonds per day for 12 weeks lowered inflammatory indicators in more than 200 people aged 16 to 25. Overall, almonds are a good source of antioxidants, which can help protect cells from oxidative damage that causes aging and disease. 3. Almonds are high in vitamin E. Vitamin E is a vital nutrient that acts as a fat-soluble antioxidant, protecting cell membranes from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. It is an essential nutrient for the body, helping to maintain the proper functioning of various organs. One of the best sources of vitamin E is almonds, which provide 48% of the nutrient's daily value, DV. Several studies have indicated that increasing vitamin E intake may lower the incidence of heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. Vitamin E has been found to enhance immune function, decrease inflammation, and safeguard cells against damage. However, more research is required to confirm these benefits definitively. As a result, including vitamin E-rich foods, such as almonds, in your diet can help you maintain optimal health and decrease the chances of various health problems. 4. Almonds can assist with blood sugar control. Nuts include healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them perfect for people with diabetes. On the other hand, almonds are rich in magnesium, a vital element involved in over 300 biological functions, including blood sugar regulation. It has been found that approximately 25% of individuals diagnosed with type 2 diabetes have a lack of magnesium in their body. Consuming sufficient magnesium has been associated with a decreased risk of type 2 diabetes and improved regulation of blood sugar levels. Additionally, magnesium intake may enhance insulin sensitivity, indicating that it can assist in combating insulin resistance. Magnesium-rich foods like almonds could help avoid metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes, both severe health concerns. Almonds are a rich source of magnesium, a mineral that has been shown to offer significant health advantages to individuals with metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. In conclusion, consuming almonds can provide a high-quality magnesium source, which may contribute to better health outcomes for people with type 2 diabetes or metabolic syndrome. 5. Magnesium improves blood pressure. High blood pressure, a primary cause of heart attacks, strokes, and kidney failure, is strongly associated with magnesium deficiency. According to meta-analyses, magnesium supplementation can considerably lower blood pressure in high blood pressure patients and those with pre-existing chronic conditions. Including 1 to 2 servings of almonds in your diet will help you fulfill the daily magnesium requirement, which is beneficial for your health. Please like, share, and subscribe if you find this information valuable. And click on the notification bell to ensure you never miss the next video. Thank you. 6. Almonds can lower cholesterol levels. Elevated levels of LDLs, which are widely recognized as bad cholesterol, can heighten the likelihood of developing heart disease. A study discovered that ingesting almonds as 20% of your daily calorie intake can diminish LDL cholesterol levels by an average of 9.7 milligrams per deciliter. Another research found that consuming 1.5 ounces of almonds daily can lower LDL cholesterol by 5.3 milligrams per deciliter while maintaining HDLs, also known as good cholesterol. Participants who consumed almonds also lost abdominal fat. Consuming 1 or 2 handfuls of almonds daily can help reduce LDL cholesterol, which may lower the risk of heart disease. 7. Eating almonds helps prevent LDL cholesterol from harmful oxidation. Almonds not only reduce LDL levels in the blood, but they also protect LDL against oxidation, which is a major contributor to the development of atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is the constriction of arteries caused by fatty plaque formation, which raises the risk of heart disease. Almond skin is high in polyphenol antioxidants, which help reduce cholesterol oxidation. Combining almonds with other antioxidants, such as vitamin E, further enhances the effect. A human study discovered that eating almonds for a month decreased oxidized LDL cholesterol levels by 14%, potentially lowering the risk of heart disease. Further research is required to corroborate this. 8. Almonds reduce hunger. Almonds are a nutritious food high in protein and fiber. They are known to promote the feeling of fullness, which can help reduce overeating. A 4-week study has shown that consuming 1.5 ounces of almonds daily can significantly reduce appetite and the desire to eat. Other studies have also demonstrated that nuts, including almonds, can help prevent overeating by keeping the stomach full and satisfying hunger. Therefore, including almonds in your regular diet can effectively control your appetite and maintain a healthy weight. 9. Almonds can help people lose weight. Nuts are healthy because of their excellent nutritional value and satiating characteristics. The body does not easily absorb them, and some studies indicate that they can enhance metabolism. Almonds, for example, have been shown to reduce body weight and fat mass, while another study discovered that people who avoided nuts lost more weight than those who did. However, both trials required individuals to consume low-calorie diets. Despite their high fat content, almonds are an excellent weight loss snack. Nuts are high in calories. Therefore, moderation is crucial while snacking. While almonds are abundant in calories, they do not appear to cause weight gain. Some studies suggest they can even help with weight loss. Please note, the video and its associated articles and websites, as well as all text, images, and other content on the channel, are provided solely for educational purposes. The content does not replace professional medical diagnosis, treatment, or advice. Thank you. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? We want to hear from you. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And click on the notification bell to ensure you never miss the next video. Thank you.